Hello students, Meenakshi Sen is here from Maths Gyan. This is a new name of my channel. Previously it was known as Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. These are competitive questions in order to improve the IQ. Question is ABCD is the square of the side 4 centimeter. Okay. As per figure you can see here. In this square, a semicircle with the dia equal to DA. It means center is at the midpoint of AD known as E. A semicircle is drawn in this way. Okay. Another semicircle is also drawn, which is the diameter of which is started over here, and the circumference of this semicircle is touching on this point F of the previous semicircle. We have to find the area of this red shaded region. Okay. Another, I am again repeating my questions that ABCD is a square with a side of 4 centimeter. As taking as a side AD as a diameter, a semicircle is drawn having the center at the midpoint of AD, that is E, and another semicircle is also drawn whose diameter is starting from B, and this semicircle is drawn in such a way so that it is making tangent on the circumference of the previous semicircle at point F. एक ABCD वर्ग बनाया गया है जिसकी साइड 4 सेंटीमीटर है. उसके अंदर एक सेमी सर्कल DA पे डायमीटर लेकर इसका व्यास लेकर के इट मीन्स E को सेंटर मानकर एक सेमी सर्कल ये बनाया गया है जिसका सेंटर E पे है. दूसरा एक सेमी सर्कल इस तरह से बनाया गया है जिसका व्यास B से स्टार्ट होता है. इट मीन्स और वो इस तरह से होता है कि इसके पहले वाले सेमी सर्कल के परिधि को वो टच कर रहा है और यहाँ पे आके मिल रहा है. दिस पॉइंट इज सपोजिंग G. We have to find the radius of, now we have to find the area of this reded region. Red region जो है, red shaded region जो है, इसका area is to be determined. How it can be, कैसे करें? तो एक क्वेश्चन ये होता है, this is also the quarter circle is DA. A, B, D is a quarter circle. ये वाला with a diameter AB, ये भी पता चल रहा है ना. This is A. This is drawn. This is this. ABD is a quarter circle with the radius of AB, which is equal to DA. It means 4 centimeter. This region, the area of this region can be obtained by subtracting the area of this semicircle plus this semicircle from the area of this quarter circle. ABD एक क्वार्टर सर्कल है, क्वार्टर सर्कल है. ABD क्वार्टर सर्कल है. इसके एरिया में से इस सेमी सर्कल का एरिया और इस सेमी सर्कल का एरिया घटा दे, then we can get the area of this red shaded region. Okay, कैसे करें? First of all, we have to find the area of, it means हमारा पहला ऑब्जेक्ट होगा एरिया ऑफ क्वार्टर सर्कल ABD with with radius 4 centimeter. Okay, that will be equal to 1 by 4th pi into, this is the diameter, this is also 4 centimeter, 4 square. पहला काम, first work. Now the second portion, the area of this semicircle. Area of semicircle with center E. E will be the center. It means radius means, radius कितना हो गया? Radius of which is equal to 2 centimeter. Because it is the semicircle, this is 1 by 2 pi into 2 square. Okay, pi into 2 square. This will be equal to 2 centimeter. Correct. Third is to find the area of this circle. Suppose this is the center of this point O dash. Okay. Let, for third, let the radius of semicircle, small semicircle we can say, is R. Okay, R. If we join this is OE. OE को join करते हैं. Now we are going to join OE. क्योंकि R is to be determined. How? First question is arise, how R can be obtained. कैसे R को निकाला जाए? Think about this. This is E. If we join E and O, this. If we join this is the tangent point. Okay. F is the tangent. इसको उस पे ना जाए, हाथ से बना है. तो this फिर से बताती हूँ. I'm drawing. Draw it again. This is the center. This is the tangent point. This. This should be over in this way. Yeah. Okay. This is this. इसमें समझ लीजिए, this is the, actually this is drawn by my hand so that it's not so. This is center. ठीक है. This will be equal to R and this will be equal to R. ये सेंटर है तो ये पूरा इसका रेडियस है इस वाली का. ओके ओके. दिस इज ऑल्सो सेंटर E पॉइंट, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 सेंटीमीटर. देन OE विल बी इक्वल टू EO डैश विल बी इक्वल टू 2 प्लस R. यहाँ पे टच कर रहे हैं दोनों जने, दोनों सेंटर इस पॉइंट पे टच कर रहे हैं. ये E सेंटर है और ये O डैश है, तो ये आपका R है, ये आपका 2 है. ये वाला ट्रायंगल. Okay, this is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter radius, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter because it is the midpoint. इसका AD का ये midpoint है. So this is the radius of the bigger semicircle, which is equal to 2. If we join this with the center, then this is 2 plus R. 2 centimeter plus R. So OE is equal to 2 plus R. 2 plus R. And EA is equal to, this is 2 centimeter. EA is equal to 2 centimeter. and OA, AO dash, AO dash. This will be equal to this plus this. This is what? This is equal to what? This is to be noted. This is 4. This is equal to 4. So 4 minus R will be this. AO is equal to 4 minus R, this portion. AO is equal to AB minus OB. That is 4 minus small r. This is 4 minus स्मॉल r, यहां से यहां. ओके, ये आपको बार बार समझना है. In this triangle, every importance of this question to solve depends upon r, and r can be obtained from this triangle O AO dash E, in which this is 2 centimeter because this is a half of this center है, semicircular, and this is equal to 4 minus this portion, this is r, or radius of the small semicircle. Now in this triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem in order to obtain r, so that we can find the area of the smaller semicircle also. First of all, our question arises to find the value of r. Pythagoras लगाइए, Pytha. As per Pythagoras स्मेल में इक्वेशन में we can say in triangle AO dash E, AO dash E, AO dash E, OE dash square, this will be equal to AO dash square plus AE square. AE square. O dash E square, O dash E square is equal to O dash A square plus AE square. Okay? Okay. Now, अब क्या करें? Values रखते हैं. This can be written as 2 plus R. It means 2 plus R square. This will be equal to, this is 4 minus R square, 4 minus R whole square plus AE. This is 2 square. From here we can obtain the value of R. This is 4 plus R square plus 4R. This is equal to 16 plus R square minus 8R plus 4. R square, this R square get cancelled and we'll get 4 get cancelled. It means we'll get here 4 times R is equal to 4 get cancelled. This also get cancelled. This R square, this square cancel, and this cancel. It means we'll get 4R is equal to 16 minus 8 times R. Or we can say 12 times R is equal to 16. It means R is equal to 16 upon 12. That is 8 by 6, or we can say 4 by 3. ठीक है, 4 by R is equal to 4 by 3. That is the value of R. Now area of third portion. Now area of this smaller semicircle will be equal to 1 by 2 pi into R square. That is 1 by 2 pi into 4 by 3 whole square. Now everything is known to us. The area of this quarter is also known to us. ABC इसका area पता है इस quarter का. Area of the semicircle is also known to us. Area of the semicircle is also known to us. Quarter circle में ABO में इन दोनों areas को जोड़ के घटा दें तो हमें shaded region का area आ जाएगा. We will get the area of that red shaded region after deducting the area of the semicircle and the semicircle from the quarter area of the quarter semicircle ABD. Okay? It means number one equation. It means what we have to do? Equation number 1 minus second plus third. This is to be done. The equation number 1 is this. It means area of the, this will be the area of the red shaded region. Okay, area of the red shaded region will be this. This can be obtained, this 1 by 4 into 4 square. This is the full area of the quarter circle minus this area 1 by 2 pi into 2 square plus 1 by 2 pi into 4 by 3 square. Okay. फोर बाई थ्री लिखने में जगह की कमी है स्क्वायर. ओके. अब इसको 1 by 2 pi can be taken as a common one. Here is 1 by 4 है pi inside this. इसको और ओपन कर लेते हैं तो 1 by 2 pi कॉमन लेते हैं inside the bracket. 1 by 2 pi कॉमन ले लिया. 1 by 2 will here and pi कॉमन है into 16. 1 by 2 pi taken common 1 by 2 into 16 minus 1 by 2 pi taken as a common one 4. फिर minus 1 by 2 pi is taken already common. It means 16 upon 9. This will be the solution. This will be equal to 1 by 2 pi. Now 4 can also be taken as a common one. 16 है 4 है 4 है. Pi by 2 into 4 can be taken as a common one. Then inside this we will get here 4 by 2 minus 1 plus 4 by 9. This is 2 pi into 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 4 by 9. That is equal to 2 pi into 5 by 9. It means that is equal to 10 by 9 pi. This will be the answer of the question. Area will be equal to 10 by 9 pi square cm. Ten by 9 pi square cm will be the answer of this question. This is very interesting, very important, very typical questions and very easy also. Some IQ is to be used. क्लियर, कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. कंपटीशन के लिए बड़े आराम से करिए क्वेश्चंस, सोच सोच के कीजिए, करना कुछ नहीं था. एक स्क्वायर था, इसका रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर दे रखा था. इसके इस पॉइंट को मिड मान के एक सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉ किया. उस सेमी सर्कल और एक दूसरा सेमी सर्कल इस ऐसे ड्रॉ की, इस तरह से ड्रॉ किया कि वो बी को टच करता हुआ इसके सर्कमफ्रेंस को भी टच कर रहा है. तो हमें ये जो एरिया बनता है बीच का क्वार्टर सर्कल के अंदर, इसका एरिया निकालना था. इसके लिए ज़रूरी था सबसे पहले क्वार्टर सर्कल का एरिया निकालें, उसमें से सेंटर सेमी सर्कल का एरिया और इस सेमी सर्कल का एरिया घटा दें. तो बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. In order to obtain the area of ABC region, that is 1/4 of the circle area with the radius 4 centimeter. ये निकाल दिया. 1/4 portion of pi into 4 square. Okay. इसमें से this is also easy because radius already is given to us, so that this area can also be easily determined. 1/2 semicircle 1/2 pi r square. This is the reason. ये भी इसको इसमें से घटाना है. इसके अलावा ये रेडियस, इसका एरिया निकालना कठिन था. इसके लिए क्या रीजन किया, व्हाट वी हैव यूज्ड लॉजिक, इसको ड्रॉ किया, एक ट्रायंगल बन गया. बिकॉज दिस इज सेंटर, दिस इज आल्सो सेंटर ड्रॉ करते, दिस इज रेडियस एंड दिस दे आर टचिंग टू ईच अदर ऑन दिस पॉइंट. So this distance will be equal to the addition of the radius of both the semicircle, which is this is 2 and this is we are assuming as r, so that it is 2 plus r, and this will be 2 because this is a midpoint, and this will be equal to 4 minus this a reason this is r. From here we have obtained the value of r by applying the Pythagoras theory in this rectangle triangle O dash EA. R is calculated as 4/3. Now the area of this will be equal to 1/2 pi into 4/3 square. Adding these two, this is to be subtracted, calculations to be done. Now then we will get the value of the red shaded region, which is equal to 10/9 pi. Okay, enjoy the maths. Don't hesitate. अपने डर को निकाल के फेंकिए, बिल्कुल डरे नहीं, डटे रहे, करते रहिए. जितनी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आपकी आईक्यू उतनी बढ़ेगी, आप कंपटीशन में सक्सेसफुल होंगे. एसएससी का, कैट का, आईपीएस का, यूपीएससी का, एनटीपीसी का, नेट का, एएमयू का, जितने भी टाइप के क्वेश्चन हर तरह के इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में आते हैं. इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. बी कीप इन टच विद मी and don't forget to subscribe me, those who are new viewer. और जो पुराने हैं वो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मुझे मोटिवेट करें. मैं आपको मोटिवेट करूंगी. मुझे आपका मोटिवेशन बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आप इस तरह से करते हैं तो मुझे बहुत सुकून मिलता है. मेरे व्यूज़ बढ़ेंगे तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी और अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन मैं आपके लिए लेके आऊँगी. गुड नाइट. थैंक यू. सी यू फॉर योर गुड फ्यूचर.